A killer once taunted police with messages written in lipstick, and it wasn't a cry for help. William Hearns terrorized Chicago in the 1940s, but he didn't just kill his victims. He turned their homes into crime scenes designed to mess with investigators' minds. Using his victims' own lipstick, he'd write messages on bathroom mirrors. "For heaven's sake, catch me before I kill more. I cannot control myself." But police discovered something chilling. The messages weren't desperate pleas. They were psychological warfare. Hearns deliberately misspelled words to throw off handwriting analysis. He left false clues throughout the houses. He'd spend hours after each murder writing elaborate taunts. The messages got personal. He referenced specific detectives by name, mocked their investigation techniques. For months, the lipstick killer stayed one step ahead, until he made one mistake. He was caught during a burglary attempt. Handwriting experts matched his writing to every lipstick message, despite all his attempts to disguise it. The killer who thought he was smarter than police was finally outsmarted by his own twisted need for attention.